The layout details 600 square meters CNC workshop. Equipment suitable for high temperatures. Maintain workshop temperature at 24 to 28 degrees Celsius. This industrial air conditioner provides a solution. It spans 605, 消耗9000瓦时每小时, connect indoor and outdoor units using PVC pipes. It cools quickly by 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. It won't generate any moisture during cooling. Ideal for 600 square meter spaces. You only need one unit. Then, it is suited for areas with enough ground space. 放着每台浮态节能空调后, it goes through a 90-minute test, so FuTai ensures quality control. Choose confidently. If you are interested in learning more about this industrial water electricity AC unit, follow FuTai for updates.